What role do dental professionals play in promoting tobacco cessation?
You have rightly pointed out that the dentists are the prime, I would say they are the prime people who come across people who are eating gutka or tobacco or in any kind of betel nuts, because the first sign which or to diagnose how the people are smoking or they are eating pan, supari, gutka, you come to know by their oral examination. So I think dentists are the one who actually comes to know that yes, these kind of habits are persisting in these kind of patients. And when they sit on the dental chair, and if a dentist make them aware that what are the consequences if they continue eating or smoking or any kind of tobacco, smokeless or smoking tobaccos, will the impact which is seen in the mucosa, because most of the patients don't even come to know what is the effect seen in the oral cavity. So it is the prime role of the first dentist who come across such kind of changes in the mucosa to make them aware that what harmful effects this tobacco is going to bring about. So dentist definitely has a very pivotal and vital role in removing this kind of bad habits from them. Secondly, since we have 32 teeth in mouth, if even if the patient is not coming with the problems like they are coming for cessation of these kind of habits, they are visiting us with different dental problems. So we can make them aware that what will happen if they continue, or if anybody at their home is smoking or having a pan, gutka. So the children can educate their family members, parents, that to quit these kind of habits. So dentists are making a very, I would say, a very important role in, and in hospitals, in tertiary care centers, there are multiple clinics which are running, and it is like an integrated program. The center from where I come from, that is All India Institute of Medical Sciences, our dental team, the public health dentists, they are in collaboration with pulmonary department, and in our center we have opened a tobacco cessation clinic that is not only catering to people who are coming to dental centers. We have a dedicated center for tobacco cessation where other disciplines are also integrated. Mainly pulmonary department is the kind of effects they are seen in the lungs and the other systemic diseases. So it is an integrated program. It may not be only isolated to one specialty. So that dentists should be part of it, and they are the one who can counsel them the most.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.